have here a question which is 2 to the power of 20 minus 9 equals what? So how can we solve this? First, let's take 2 to the power of 10 whole square. Now if we just do it like this, 10 times 2 is 20, you get back the same thing. Minus 3 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. Now if you see, you have square, this is an identity. A square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So what is our a here? A is this part, 2 to the power of 10, and b is 3. So let's substitute on this. So we have 2 raised to 10 plus 3 times 2 raised to 10 minus 3, and 2 raised to 10 is 1024 plus 3, then times 1024 minus 3, and that's equal to 1027 times 1021. Now multiplying this is also not easy, so we're going to split them. 1000 plus 27, then times 1000 plus 21. Now using FOIL method, we are going to multiply 1000 times 1000, million. So we have million here, plus 1000 times 21, 21,000, plus 27 times 1000, 27,000, plus 27 times 21 will give you 567. Now let's add them all together. We have a million here, and then 21,000, then 27,000, then 567. So let's just add them up all together. So we have 7, 6, 5, here we have 8, 4, 0, 1. So we have 1,048,567 as the answer.